Hey, what's up? It's me again, AJ Shon, here to show you around the American accent. Today we're going to talk about the awesome letter T. So exciting.
Wow.
No, really, there's a lot to learn about the letter T. Most likely, you've learned that the letter T makes the T sound. And while this is true, today you'll find out that the letter T makes many different sounds. How can that be, you say? Well, it really depends on where the T is positioned. Usually, if the letter T begins a sentence or begins a stressed syllable, it'll get the aspirated st sound, as in 10 or teddy bear. This is the easy sound, as most languages have this sound. Let's just practice a few words for this example. Focus on the T sound as you repeat after me. And try not to spit on your computer. Here we go.
Okay.
10. Tomorrow. Teddy bear. Taffy. Tail. Tablet. Tambourine. Table. Tamale. Thailand. Italian. Italic. Attention. Attempt. Stop. Start. Sting. Stellar. Easy, huh? How about a tongue twister to give you a little bit more of a challenge? Repeat if you can. Timmy, Tom, and Terry took 10 tiny teddies. Too easy? How about faster? Timmy, Tom, and Terry took 10 tiny teddies. Nice try. Keep practicing. How about this classic tongue twister? Give this one a whirl. Betty Botter bought some butter, but she said the butter's bitter. If I put it in my batter, it will make my batter bitter. But a bit of better butter will make my batter better. So she bought some better butter, better than the bitter butter, and she put it in her batter, and her batter was not bitter. So 'twas better Betty Botter bought a bit of better butter.
Wow.
Wait a minute. The T in that tongue twister wasn't aspirated, was it? It sounded more like a D, didn't it? Listen to the first part again. Betty Botter bought some butter, but she said the butter's bitter. Okay, you're right. It wasn't aspirated. But it's also not quite a D sound like D. The sound has different names depending on who's teaching you. Some call it the flap T or the tap T, or some just say it's a short D. Whatever you want to call it, it's where the tongue touches the top of the mouth at a very high speed, and lightly as well. It's almost, you could say, like a butterfly wing grazing the top of your mouth. Your tongue taps the ridge of your mouth ever so slightly. Let's practice some words and phrases with the T tapped. I'll say the word, then a sentence containing that word. Please copy my voice. Letter. Send the letter as soon as you can. Water. May I have a glass of water, please? Bottle. Do you have a bottle of water? Pick it up, bring it over, put it down. Pick it up, then bring it over and put it down. Get in, to give. Get in if you want me to give you a ride. Great. Now that sound is no doubt one of the most difficult sounds to learn if it's not part of your native language. I suggest you practice a lot. Remember though, don't try too hard. I find when my students try too hard, the muscles in their mouth and their face tend to tense up. And you can't speak clearly with the muscles tense. Relax, relax, relax. Okay, let's move on to the next T sound. This T sound isn't actually a sound at all. Pretty tricky, huh? We call this T the held T. Our tongue will be in position to make the T sound, but there'll be no air released, like this. Hot. Boy, is it hot. See? No T sound. My tongue is ready to make the T sound, but instead I hold off on making it. Hot. Try these words and phrases. Copy my voice. Hot. I like my coffee nice and hot. Got. Gimme all you got. It. I don't like it, I love it. That. Do you want this one or that one? What? What are you going to do with all that money? Right. I have to go right now. Might. That just might be the ticket. Tight. Yikes, these jeans are too tight. Got the idea? There are so many things to think about when pronouncing the glorious letter T, like an American. If you would like to have a more personal experience learning the American accent, please come join me in my class at DELC in Wat Damakai in Pathum Thani, Thailand. Sign up for an in-class experience or sign up for an online experience with other students. Just click the link in the description below. See you next time. Sawasdee krap.